Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you this functionality, that is progress bar. This functionality is included in every single software. So here it is. When we want to upload the file on the web pages, it is in the websites, it is in the softwares. So here I want to upload my file. When I click on upload button, so here it is run, and you can adjust its speed, you can adjust this. And how it is working, this progress bar is just working on the values. When it is 1%, so it will here, when then 2 values, so it here, then 10 here, then 3, then 4, 5, and when its value is become 100, so it is stop and it is full, and 100 is printed here. And now I'm going to build this functionality, and for this we have to create a button, and this is a div, and this text is also in a div, or we can build a span. And here is, this is the file I have already created, CSS file, and other library files are included. So here is the input file, input type, and here is text, and here is this, and this is the button, and here we have to write button, and here is its value is click, and here is id is btn. And now what we need to do, we have to create a div in which we will build a progress bar. Here is the div, and here is its id, here is bar, I'm giving it the id bar, and then a span in which we will show the text. Here is, and here is id, and here I'm gonna show txt. So now what we need to do, when we click on this button, so then all the functionality will run. So here is the event, here is hash btn dot click, and here is function, and here is this, and now here is what the things in between it we have to apply. First of all, we have to create a variable, and here is its name is val. So now its value is at the start 0. So what is this variable? This variable is this in which this text is printed, and this progress bar will run due to this variable, because we have to increase its value 1 2 3 4 5 and to the 100. So how we can increase it continuously? We have to use the set interval function. So here is the variable, and here is the set interval function to repeat the code to increase the value, and here is function, here is this, so now here first of all I'm going to plus this value, increment it, so it becomes 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3, 4, and then what we need to do, then we have to select this div and make it a progress bar with this value, and so we have to give this value to the progress bar. Why we have to give this value? Because if it have the value 1, so the progress bar is filled at the position of 1 here. Here I'm going to show you. Here is first of all, select the bar. Here is hash bar dot progress bar, and here is this, and in between it, here is, first of all I'm going to show you without it. Here is, here you see that this is empty because we have not give it the value. But if we give it the value, this is the value property name, and then we have to give it the value. Here if I give the value 10, So it is 10% fill, equal to the 10 value. Here is it is a 10% fill, but if I give it the value this, so now this variable value at the start is 0, then it is increased continuously, and this progress bar will increase continuously. And at the start this will have the 0 value, so progress bar show the 0% fill, then it have the 10, then it have the 11, 12, 13, so the progress bar will be filled. And then we have to print this value under the progress bar like this. And how we can print it? Here is select, here is hash, here is txt dot text, and here is I'm gonna write well, and here's plus, and inside it here is percentage percent. And now here you see that it is increasing because I have not apply the clear interval function when it is 100%. So we have to stop this set interval function. So here is if the value is val is equal to 100, so here is clear interval, and here is interval, and now this variable is this. And now here I'm gonna execute the file again. So now here when I click on it, so here it is increased, it is filled, and when the value is 100%, so it stop. And why it is happening? Because due to this, here you see that this value, this is the value is equal to 0, then it is increased to the 1, 2, 3, and that 1, 2, 3 is assigned to this value. So the progress bar is filled due to this value, and then that value is printed also in the span. And when it become 100, so function is stop running and the value does not increase. And now here we can also give it the speed to the function execute. If I give it 500 milliseconds, so it is half a second, so now it will increase with the half second. So here you see that it is half second. So in this way you can build these functionalities. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, and you have to complete it, and when it is complete, then I will finish it. And here in the next video I'm gonna discuss another functionality, that is the slider that I have shown you at the start. That is present in many websites that are used for the shopping, where we can select the range of our money, and then those products will be shown on the screen. I will show you that thing in the next video. So here it is complete, so here it is stop. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture.